tutorial in which we're going to talk about these amazing, let's say, letters. Here you see with different colors, with different emojis, etc. So you see here how we're going to learn how to prepare such amazing, let's say, colorful alphabet using these, let's say, facial expressions. Okay. All right. So if you're interested to know more about this topic and how we're going to do this on your own, stick around. As usual, I need Illustrator because it's the one that I use to design these characters. Of course, let's write a letter first. For example, letter A, and we need it to be in a larger size, so we come here. And if we want it even larger, you can just write here, for example, 300. Okay, it's just to see the letter. Okay, let's get it here. Now it's time to work on the stroke and the fill. I want it to be white in the inside and black on the outside. And on this part here, stroke weight, you can manage the weight of the stroke. Okay, for example, I want it to be 4, look, and you can work here. Look how we're going to. Now, when you look at this font, you see that it's not that good. So all you have to do is to choose, select this letter. Sorry for the block, you know that I always tell you that my computer cares. Blocked from time to time, no problem. Anyways, so for example, we come here and we start looking for a sample. For example, here it's called Cooper Black, and I prefer this font. You can use different kinds of fonts. Okay, so you can get the stroke even thicker. Look, the weight is even thicker. So for example, here you've got the letter A. Now you may ask me, how am I going to add the smileys? As usual, you're going to free pick. You're going to write facial expressions. Facial expressions. Okay, and always free vectors, because vectors we can set each part aside so that we can use them. Okay, now you will find plenty of expressions. When I give you an idea, of course you can use these expressions, for example, for personality, you can use different characters, etc. So there are plenty of ideas concerning this. For me, I have used them to work on let's say the alphabet. I have used this. I think that I'm going to change it. Maybe we're going to use another kind of smileys. Okay, let me check this one. It looks nice. Look here. Okay, so you're free to choose whatever you want. So today I'm going to use, I think, this one. All right. So you're going to download it. And you get back to Illustrator. We open the file in Illustrator and we start working on it. Yes. Okay, so here we've got the smileys that we're going to use. But before that, in order to make things clear, let's say Control minus so that we get it clear and in the middle like that. Okay, space, you get the hand. Now I want to lock this one and add another layer so that this one can't be moved, so that I work at ease. Okay, let's use a smiley, for example. Let's use this one. So you just click several times and you get this. Okay, Control B. All right. Okay, so here we go. I prefer to get it on top. And here we go. This is an A. Okay. Now for the color. So for example, you have used this smiley. Lock it. If you want to keep it as white and black, you can simply export it this way. Or you can simply get to the fill and you change the color, for example. sorry, you click on it first and you start changing the color. For example, green, maybe pink, maybe this or this. So you're free to use any color that you want. And of course, you're going to come to export as, and you create a new file so that it will be clear for you, so that you desktop. I prefer to get a new file. All right. And I'm going to export, name it English alphabet. So whenever you search for it on your PC, you will find it English alphabet. You can use here a capital letter. Okay, like that. Okay, then you click and you name it A. It's PNG. It means it has no background. Great. Now, for example, you want to change it into a B. So this one is locked. Okay. So let's wait for a little bit. All right. B, simply B. Lock this one. Open this one. Remove this smiley and choose another one. For example, okay, this sad smiley. Okay, let's get it a little bigger. And we put it here. You can have complete, let's say, for example, you want it thicker. So the mouth, look how, Control plus, and you take it, for example, you hold it and put it here, because you have to master it. And for example, if you don't want these to be here, you can simply get them lower and get them here. So you have all the ability to change every single detail. Look here, this is B, but I want it to be another color, so I'm going to choose, for example, yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna save it this way. So I've got B. All right, so now we're going to C. I changed the color before I start working. I'm gonna use red. Change, and now I come to the smileys and I change the smiley. Let's choose another one. Okay, all right, this one. Why not? It looks cute. Okay, so all right, here we go. So just some kind of cute stuff just to get learners engaged. And I name it C, and I carry on with the rest of the alphabet. I'm going to show you the result once I finish with it. so this is the final letter. So we've got all the letters. Let's see them together. Okay, so let's remove. These are the old ones. Maybe you like this kind or the other one. So it depends on your choice of the smileys. Okay, so here we go. You can see either you choose to use this kind of or maybe another. So it depends on your creation, which kind of, let's say, smileys you want to use. So this is concerning how we are going to prepare these letters. Of course, you can prepare capital letters and cursive letters as well. So this is for today's tutorial, and I'm going to use the same, but for the next session you will see which kind of stuff that we're going to design. See you!